Good morning, year one. We've got one day left and then it's the weekend and then we are on to our last week of school. So, as usual, pause the screen on each page and have a go at the questions. And we'll have a go at phonics.
Hi everyone, it's Rusty from Numbots here. Are you ready for today's Letters and Sounds phonics lesson?
Hello children, I'm Alex. Let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's begin by reading some phonemes that you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. Remember, some of these graphemes make more than one sound. See if you can remember them all. The first card says shh. Your turn, off you go. Did you get them all right? Brilliant. Let's check. Read them aloud with me. Shh. O and O. A or A or O. G or J. K or S. U. E or E. U or U. Your. Brilliant, super sounds, well done. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Have a look at this word and remember, in this word, this letter says S. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Central. Central. Something that is in the middle is central. Have a look at this one and remember, in this word it says S. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Acid. Acid. Lemons are acid to taste. Can you spot the digraph? That's right, the digraph is here. Ooh. And remember, in this word, this letter says O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. What? Next word. Remember, in this word, this letter says O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Was. Next word. And remember, in this word, this letter says J. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Magic. Magic. She performed a magic trick. Wow. Can you see the digraph? Yes, that's right. And in this word it says E. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Deaf. Deaf. If you can't hear, then you are deaf. Great reading. I'm going to mix them up. Can you read them? Off you go. Read them aloud. Read them with me. Central, acid, what, was, magic, deaf. Today we are learning to read a new way of writing the sound sh. Shh. Shh. You have a go. Shh. And again. Shh. And again. Shh. One more time. Shh. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme sh. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. Sh, f. Your go. Sh, f. Chef. A chef is someone who is a professional cook. They wear a hat like this. Let's try another one. Sh-a-l-a. Your go. Sh-a-l-a. Chalet. A chalet is a wooden house that is used for holidays. It looks like this. Final word. B-r-o-sh, your. Your go. B-r-o-sh, your. Brochure. A brochure is a magazine that shows you about things you might like to buy, like a holiday. This is a brochure about holidays. We know the sound sh is written like this. There is another way to write the sound sh, and it looks like this. All these words were originally from French, which is why they have this spelling. Let's read the new grapheme for the sound sh. Can you say the sound sh each time I show you the digraph ch? Are you ready? And one more. That was excellent. Well done. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound sh. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. And together, sh-f, chef. Do you remember? This is the hat that the chef wears. Let's try another word. In this word, these two letters make the A sound. Off you go, sound talk it, and then blend it. And together, sh-a-l-a, chalet. Did you get it right? Let's have a look at our chalet. Here it is. Next one. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. But remember, in this word, this letter says O. Let's read the word together. B-r-o-sh-your. Brochure. Do you remember what it looks like? That's right. This is our holiday brochure. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. You ready to read it together? P-a-r-a. Para. Shoot. Shoot. Parachute. If you wanted to jump out of an aeroplane, you would use a parachute. It looks like this. Now can you read these words without any help? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Chef. Chalet. Brochure. Parachute. Time to mix them up. see if you can read them now. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Parachutes, chalet, chef, brochure, credible. We are on fire today, children. Now, let's practice reading these tricky words that you have met before. Let's have a look at the first one. Let's have a look at this one. Can you remember the tricky bits in this word? Yes, the tricky bit is here. This bit says eh. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Friend. Friend. The word is friend. Well done. Let's practice reading another tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bits? That's right. The tricky bits are here. This bit says are or a. And this bit says f. This bit at the end says t. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. A, f, t. Or a, f, t. Laughed or laughed. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in them. Can you see the words with our new grapheme CH that says shh? That's right. Here and here. Can you see any other words with digraphs or trigraphs in? Here's A. Here's the trigraph your. And here's ng. Can you see the tricky word we read today? That's right. Friend is our tricky word. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you're not sure about. Excellent reading. Now let's read it together. My friend has a holiday brochure with chalets and camping. Brilliant reading. Now let's read it together a bit faster. Read with me. My friend has a holiday brochure with chalets and camping. It is fun looking at brochures. Now let's read another sentence. Can you see any words with our new grapheme CH that says shh? That's right. Here and here. Can you see any other words with digraphs? That's right. We've got oo, or, k, and or again. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you're not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read together. The chef parachutes and performs magic tricks for fun. Brilliant reading. Let's read it again, a little bit faster this time. The chef parachutes and performs magic tricks for fun. The chef sounds like a fun person to know. Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with our new grapheme CH. Let's spell chef. Segment the sounds with me. Chef. Sh, e, f. Let's count how many sounds there are. Chef, sh-e-f. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write chef, and remember I need 3 sounds. Sh, e, f, chef. Have a go. I'm hiding it. Write them down. Are you ready? Did you remember the digraph? Here. Chef, chef. Well done. Did you get it right? Let's try another one. Let's spell brochure. Segment the sounds with me. B, r, o, sh, your. Let's count how many sounds there are. Brochure. B, r, o, sh, your. That's 5 sounds. Watch me write brochure. Remember 5 sounds. B, r, o, sh, and our trigraph, your. Brochure. I'm going to hide it. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph sh and the trigraphs your. Are you ready? B, r, o, sh, your. Brochure. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's spell a tricky word we have met before. Friend. Segment the sounds with me. Friend. F-r-e-n-d. Let's count how many sounds there are. Friend. F-r-e-n-d. That's 5 sounds. Watch me write friend. Remember, I need 5 sounds. Remember the tricky bits. R. The I and the E say eh in this word. N. D. Friend. I'm going to hide it. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Remember the tricky bit. The letters I, E say eh. Write them down. You ready? Let's check. F-r-e-n-d. Friend. Did you get it right? Brilliant. Well done. Now let's practice spelling. Laughed or laughed. You've done this one before as well. Segment the sounds with me. Laughed or laughed. L-a-f-t. Let's count how many sounds there are. Laughed. L-a-f-t. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write laughed and remember the tricky bits. L. R or a. laughed, laughed, or laughed, laughed. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Remember the tricky bit. You got it? Are you ready? Does yours look like that? Did you get it all right? Laughed, laughed, or laughed, laughed. Well done. Well done. You worked so hard today practicing reading and spelling. See you next time for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.
Hi children, I'm Sandy Toxvig. I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You have worked really hard and we are so proud of you. I tell you what, why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?
Okay, as usual, we've got our maths, so we've got a video and then some questions to have a go at.
Today's lesson is on counting coins. Can you name these coins? That's right, 1 penny or 1p. 2p or 2 pence. 5p or 5 pence. 10p or 10 pence. 20 pence or 20p. 50p or 50 pence. 1 pound. And 2 pounds. Well done. But how do we count these coins? Well, let's take a look together. Let's begin by counting these coins. Are you ready? You can count with me if you'd like. 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 6p, or 6 pennies, or even 6 pence. Let's try another one. This time, we're counting by pounds. 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Yes, we have 6 pounds here. Now, what's the same? What's different? Well, obviously, they both have 6 coins. They both have the number 6 when we add them up. But remember, these have a different value. One of them we call 6 pence or 6p, and the other one has a symbol of a pound. That symbol before the number 6 to show us 6 pounds. And again, you know that symbol means it's time for you to have a go. I'd love for you to count these coins and then come back and tell me how many of each there are. Pause here and then come back. Okay, let's look at the coins at the top. They're worth 2 pence. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10p. Now the ones at the bottom are pounds, but they're also worth 2. So we can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can see here that this is 10 pounds. Again, what's the same? What's different? Does it really matter? Absolutely it matters. These coins have different values. Now let's have a look at using a number line to help us count coins. At the top, you've got some 5p coins. At the bottom, some 10p coins. So pause here and use the number line to help if you need. Then come back and we'll see how many of each do we have. Great. Let's count the top row. 5p. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's 35p. Now let's go to the 10p. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40p. Did you notice what I noticed? There are more 5p coins than there are 10p coins. But yet, the value of the 10p coins is more. It's greater than the 5p coins. That's important to think about as well. Again, it's time for you to have a go. Can you count these coins? And please use the number line to help if you need to. See if you can find the total value of the 20p coins and the 50p coins. Pause here, count, and come back. Great. Okay, I'm probably going to use the number line for this one. I'm going to count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. The 20p coins are worth 80p. Okay, well I only have two 50p coins, so again I'm going to use the number line and find 50 and then count on 50. Wow, that's 100p. And even though I only had two coins, the value is more than the four 20p coins. Interesting. Now let's talk about finding equal coins. Here are all of the coins that we have. But sometimes we can put coins together that will equal one coin. Let's take a look. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can you find a coin that would equal all 5 of those 10p coins? A coin that would equal 50p. Perfect. You found it. Shall we try another one? This time we're going to count 5p coins. 5, 10, 15, 20. If I had 4 5p coins, can you find one coin that would equal 20p? Exactly. So imagine I could have one 50p coin or 5 10p coins, or I could have one 20p coin or 4 5p coins. Interesting. Now here's a challenge for you. How many coins would I need? Here are 2 questions. How many 10p coins would I need to equal 20? And how many 1p coins would I need to equal 5p? Pause here, have a go, and then we'll check our answers together. Okay, how many 10p coins do you think we need to make 20p? Yes, we need 2. Now, how many 1p coins do I need to make 5p? Oh, I hope you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would need 5 1p coins in order to equal 1 5p coin. And now we're going to count up how much money is there. You know, when you reach into your pocket and pull out some coins, we need to find out how much money is there. Well, one day I pulled these 2 coins out of my pocket. How much money is there? I've got a 20p coin and a 10p coin. That's right, I had 30p. Now another day I reached in and pulled out these 3 coins. How much money is there? 5p, 2p, and 2p. Well, if I add those all up, I can see that I had 9p in my pocket. And then on a third day, I pulled out 3 more coins. How much money is there? Oh, well, I can see that I have 1 1-pound coin, and then a 20p and a 5p. So I have 1 pound and 25p. I'm just curious. Can you see which day I had the most money in my pocket? And which day did I have the least money in my pocket? And now it's time for you to have a go. How much money is there? Here are 3 questions for you. Pause here, count up the amount, and then come back and we'll see if we got the same amount. Okay, well, the first example has a 50p coin, a 10p coin, and a 5p coin. So here we have 65p. Let's look at the second one. 10p, 5p, and 2p. Well, that means that there is 17p. And finally, we have 5 coins. 2 of them are 20p, 3 of them are 1p. What's the total? Were you thinking 43p? Well done. And I'm just curious, did you notice that when we count up coins, we often start with the one that's the biggest or with the greatest value, and then count on from there? And here we are at the end of another lesson. Did you know that you can practice counting coins any day you want? Find some coins and count them up. But also, I'd love for you to pause here and have a go at your White Rose Maths worksheet. If you don't have a White Rose Maths worksheet, you can find other material available on the BBC Bite Size website. Keep practicing counting those coins.
Okay, so have a go at the maths worksheets for me. Pause on each screen and then check your answers. Okay, and have a go at the writing task. Have a lovely weekend and I will see you on Monday.